Another field in St. Catherine has now been called into question ahead of the final match day in the Jamaica Premier League's regular season. More in this report from Christopher Scott.
Like a broken record, forced to be played over and over again. That is the current situation this time with the Spanish town Prison Oval field in St. Catherine. With the final round of the regular season for the Jamaica Premier League fast approaching, a venue was decided for the match between Malines United and Portmore United, with crucial implications for the latter team, with the final playoff spot still up for grabs. The problem is, the field is not up to standard. This isn't the first football field in the parish that has been criticized, as Ferdinita Park was also scrutinized after a game between Arnett Gardens and Portmore United in February. It also begs the question, what led to the selection of this surface for such an important game? Efforts to contact Ian Kemble, head of competitions at the Jamaica Football Federation, through telephone calls and messages have proved unsuccessful. Officials from both teams declined to comment on the matter when contacted by TVG Sports on Thursday afternoon. Portmore United are currently on 37 points in 8th place in the standings, 1 point behind Dumby Holding and Waterhouse, who are 6th and 7th respectively. Both are on 38 points. Christopher Scott, TVG Sports.
Thank you, Chris.